Security Samaria, and most of you have been wondering where East African Roofings is located, yeah? So I'm going to be your tour guide, take you where quality is made, where quality is born, yes? From the main road to where our beautiful factory is located. So we are located off Entebbe Road at Zana. So if you're coming from town, you have to drive past Freedom City, yeah? Ahead there is Starbucks petrol station. So our route is slightly opposite Starbucks petrol station. However, you have to drive past Starbucks petrol station as though you're going to Haas petrol station. That's when you make a U-turn as though you're going to town, but then you have to branch off as though you're going to Life Church. That's when you see our signpost of East African Roofing. So when you see our signpost, our factory is just 1 kilometer from the road. Come with me. So when you head straight from the main road, you're going to find another signpost of East African Roofings directing you to turn right. Come and we proceed. So when you see this signpost, you know you have reached the home of Tiger brand. So let's slope down. So you have now arrived at East African Roofings. You're welcome. We can't wait to see you. Karibu.